Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Collect.js tutorial. My name is Daniel Eckerman and I am the author of Collect.js. Now today we're going to take a look at the get method, and if we jump over to the docs, we'll see that the get method returns the item at a given key or index. And if the key or index does not exist, null is returned. So let's just grab this collection right here, and we can jump over to VS Code to take a look. Now we have the collection here, and if you try to console.log out the collection and get the first name, and we can run that in our terminal, we'll see that we get Mohammed returned right here. Now if we try to grab the last name, we'll get that as well, just like that. Now if we try to grab the middle name, we'll get null returned. But what's great about get is that we can provide a default value instead of getting null returned. So if you want the middle name to be like default value, like this, we will get default value returned instead. So right here, we're getting default value. Now, you can also provide a callback function. So if you have to do some sort of calculation or you want to grab some data before you return something, we can just do a function right here, and you can create a function body. You can do something like, let's do A equals 2 and B equals 3 or 5, and then you can return A plus B, like this. So now, when the collection cannot get the middle name, it will execute this callback function, and we will get A plus B returned, so we will get 7. So if we try this out in our console right here, we get 7. So now our collection is an object, but what if our collection is an array? So let's just do an array here of 1, 2, and 3. So we'll have our collection right there. And if we want to grab the first item in this collection, we can grab by the index of 0. So let's get item at position 0, like that. If we jump over to our terminal again, we can run the script and we will see that we get 1 returned. Awesome. Now, if we want to grab the last item would be index number 2 because of 0, 1, 2. But let's try to grab index 3 because we know that doesn't exist. Now, we should get null returned, so let's just try that out. And just like that, we get null returned. Now, of course, we can do the same thing when working with indexes, that we can provide a default value. So now we get default value returned. So there you have it. The get method is a really useful utility when working with collections. You can grab an item by its name or its key, or you can grab it by the index. So the get method is often used, and you can also provide a default value as a string, a number, or a callback function. Now that's it for this video. I hope you stick around for another Collect.js tutorial. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll follow along in my Collect.js video series. Now, if you want me to do more of these videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'm @Eckerman. Until then, take care, and I'll see you later.